In this video, you will learn about 20 phrasal verbs used for sports with meanings and examples.
Warm up. Meaning, to prepare the body for exercise by doing light exercises. Examples: the players warmed up before the big match. Always warm up to avoid injuries. Always warm up to avoid injuries. Cool down. Meaning, to do light exercises after an intense workout to relax the muscles. Examples: she cooled down with some stretching after her run. Don't forget to cool down after a tough game. Don't forget to cool down after a tough game. Workout. Meaning, to exercise to improve fitness. Examples: he works out every morning at the gym. A 30-minute workout can boost your energy. A 30-minute workout can boost your energy. Take up. Meaning, to start a new sport or activity. Examples: she took up tennis last summer. I'm thinking of taking up swimming to stay fit. I'm thinking of taking up swimming to stay fit. Drop out. Meaning, to leave a competition or activity before it's finished. Examples: he dropped out of the race after twisting his ankle. Many participants dropped out due to the heat. Many participants dropped out due to the heat. Knock out. Meaning, to eliminate someone from a competition. Examples: the team was knocked out in the semifinals. A strong opponent can easily knock you out. A strong opponent can easily knock you out. Catch up. Meaning, to reach the same level as others. Examples: she sprinted to catch up with the other runners. You need to practice more to catch up with your teammates. You need to practice more to catch up with your teammates. Keep up. Meaning, to maintain the same pace as others. Examples: it's hard to keep up with him. He's so fast. They trained hard to keep up their performance. They trained hard to keep up their performance. Give up. Meaning, to stop trying or quit. Examples: never give up, even if the game is tough. She refused to give up despite being behind. She refused to give up despite being behind. Cheer on. Meaning, to encourage someone during a game. Examples: the fans cheered on their team loudly. His family was there to cheer him on. His family was there to cheer him on. Gear up. Meaning, to prepare for an activity. Examples: the athletes are gearing up for the big event. He geared up with the right equipment before starting. He geared up with the right equipment before starting. Pull ahead. Meaning, to move into the lead. Examples: she pulled ahead in the final lap of the race. The cyclist pulled ahead of his competitors. The cyclist pulled ahead of his competitors. Fall behind. Meaning, to lag behind others. Examples: he fell behind due to a slow start. If you don't train regularly, you'll fall behind. If you don't train regularly, you'll fall behind. Step up. Meaning, to improve performance or take on a challenge. Examples: he stepped up his training for the upcoming tournament. The captain stepped up to take the penalty shot. The captain stepped up to take the penalty shot. Join in. Meaning, to participate in a game or activity. Examples: why don't you join in the football match? She joined in the fun during the team practice. She joined in the fun during the team practice. Get into. Meaning, to become interested or involved in a sport. Examples: he got into basketball after watching the playoffs. Many kids are getting into soccer these days. Many kids are getting into soccer these days. Bounce back. Meaning, to recover after a setback. Examples: the team bounced back with a win after last week's loss. A good athlete always bounces back from failure. A good athlete always bounces back from failure. Fight off. Meaning, to resist or fend off a challenge. Examples: she fought off strong competition to win the gold medal. They fought off a tough opponent in the final minutes. They fought off a tough opponent in the final minutes. Hold on. Meaning, to maintain a position or not lose grip. Examples: the team held on to their lead until the final whistle. Hold on tight to the rope during the climb. Hold on tight to the rope during the climb. Pass out. Meaning, to faint or lose consciousness, often due to exhaustion. Examples: he almost passed out after running the marathon. Stay hydrated to avoid passing out during practice. Stay hydrated to avoid passing out during practice.